Hey guys, Kevin Fanny here, and first off, thank you for checking out this video. We are back with the next release of IM Checklist, and this month the topic is going to be building a business on WordPress. Now, the reason we've created these particular checklists is over the past few months we've taken on more clients, we're working with more people, and we find that there's a lot of people that are confused how to set up WordPress from the start, how powerful WordPress actually is. We use WordPress for pretty much everything in our business, from sales pages to membership sites to blog posts to lead capture pages to thank you pages. Across the board, our entire business is being built on WordPress. Any plugins or software developed, again, we're using WordPress for this. So for someone starting off, understanding WordPress is basically 100% vital to your success online. It just cannot happen without it. It doesn't matter what you're trying to sell online, who you're trying to inform, it doesn't matter who your followers are or what your niche is, you need to understand WordPress. Now, WordPress, thankfully, we've been using WordPress for over, you could say, 8 years in our business, almost every single day. So we know at this stage, with just a few clicks, we know how to monetize it, we know how to change the settings, we know it pretty much inside out. But for someone just starting off, it can actually be basically a really time consuming, it can be confusing, and some people just might give up and come along and maybe buy some other product that promises that they can do it for you. Guys, the thing about WordPress is it's 100% customizable for every single business across the board. So we've spent the last few weeks developing these checklists, and there's 18 checklists in total. Now I'm just going to go through some of the checklists here. You can see everything that's included. But the first checklist is things to know before making a website on WordPress. Now this is the first and most important one. You need to decide on the goals for your WordPress website. Are you just going to collect leads? Are you going to integrate social media? Are you going to post new blog content all the time, every week? Are you going to post videos? Are you just going to have a standard homepage where you come along and you sell your products and services? So you need to decide on that first, and we've got a checklist that basically walks you through that from the very start. It only takes a few minutes to actually fill out, and from there you have actually the foundation to complete everything else in this. So it comes along installing WordPress from the start is the second checklist. Some people might already have that done, but it do get a lot more advanced as well. Installing and configuring a theme on WordPress, installing and configuring WordPress plugins, styling your WordPress blogs, widget and menus on WordPress, tracking and analytics on WordPress, creating your first blog post where you talk about content ideas, creating and setting up your WordPress homepage, WordPress SEO, which is very important, linking, testing and optimization. Then we get into guest posting. We've got some really cool information on guest posting as well. WordPress Comments, WordPress Security, integrating social media onto your WordPress blog. Most importantly, making money from your WordPress blog is covered in great detail. Sending emails from your WordPress blog so you don't actually need an autoresponder, and your final WordPress checklist. So guys, these are available today at a massive discount for a limited time only. You're going to get 18 checklists. You're going to get basically a 40-minute training video which shows you how to set up and monetize your WordPress blog. That is done by me. You're also going to get these checklists, guys, in 4 different formats, and you're going to get private label rights to these as well. You're going to get them in printable PDF format like this. You're going to get them in Google Docs, so you can open them up on your phone, open them up on Google Drive, whatever way you want. You're going to get editable Word documents, so you can edit these, rebrand them, do anything you want with them. You're also going to get these in mind map format as well. Basically, we've got a lot of members who actually love our mind map, so they can just click and follow them through from start to finish. So below this you're going to see full the rights for the PLO rights, but in a nutshell, guys, you can pretty much do anything you want with these checklists. You can use them for training, webinars, you can create information marketing products out of them. Or basically, like we do, we use them in our business every single day when we're going to do a task ourselves, or if we decide to outsource it, we can basically hand these over. So there's multiple uses for these, guys. So this is Kevin Fanny. I want to thank you for checking out this video, and to get access to this today at a massive discount, just click the link below, guys. You are backed by a 14-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So really, you have absolutely nothing to lose. Click the link below, and I'll see you guys inside the members area.